Okay, we're going to go ahead and key out this pine tree that we showed you has leaves or needles in bundles of 5. So let's figure out what it is. Love this book. There's many others that will do the same thing, but this one here is worn because it's been loved by me an awful lot. Okay, inside where we start, again, we've talked about the different terms of needles or leaves that are needle-like or broad and flat. So you'll see that a key has 2 numbers. See 2 number 1s there? So you have to decide which one you're going to follow. Are the leaves needle-like or scale-like, or are they broad and flat? Well, they're this one right here, needle-like. So we're going to go to group A. That already takes us out of all of these other groups that are going to be the wrong path to figuring out what this is. So we're going to go to group A, which is a section of this book. Group A. We've got 2 number 1s again to start with. Okay. Okay. Are the needles in clusters of 2 or more? Now where's my other number 1? It's down here. Or are the leaves solitary? Okay, one of those. You're like, oh, they're not leaves, they're needles. No, we talked about that. Needles are leaves. We're in group A. Leaves needle-like or scale-like, often evergreen. So are they in this number 1, which is leaves in clusters of 2 or more, or this one? Well, they're in this one. So we're going to go to the next group of questions in this grouping of leaves in clusters of 2 or more. So now we go to the number 2 question. We got to decide which one is it, this one or this one. This one says leaves in clusters of 10 or more, falling off in the autumn. The other number 2 says leaves in clusters of 2 to 5. Well, we've already looked. Remember, we said these are all in clusters of 5. So we have to make a choice. Are we going to follow this path or this path? We're going with this path because they're 5. Okay, they're not 10 or more. Okay, so now we are going into the next indentation. Don't worry that we're on number 4 here. We're always just going to choose the right answer and then go into the next level, because both 3's got lost up here. Okay, are the leaves in clusters of 5? Or are the leaves in clusters of 2 to 3? 5. We already know what it is. Oh gosh, that's a Latin name. Pinus Strobus. That's a Latin name, which is known by scientists all over the world, no matter what your language. That's Latin, and that's part of science. But we have a common name that we will use, so we need to look up what Pinus Strobus is. So we're going to go back to the back, and we're going to find out what Pinus Strobus is. Pinus, right there. Strobus is on page 202. White pine. I'll be doggone. Did you know that white pines have needles in clusters of 5? They're very flexible. They're up to 5 inches long. They're kind of bluish green. And there's other parts of what, or characteristics of what a white pine is. Gives you a picture. Tells you where they're native in the state. Oh. But as a distinguishing feature, soft blue-green needles in clusters of 5 readily distinguish the white pine. Pretty cool. Okay, we got one done.